We haven't met, but I know your vibe. Always skipping a step, cause I really don't mind. It's like you've been in my bed a couple thousand times. Now we're at it again, we're at it again. We haven't met, but I know your vibe. Always skipping a step.
So, this is just the start of the trail. We're gonna be heading to Peden Lake today. So yeah, I'll show you what it looks like. We're gonna stopping at a waterfall on the way, Mary Vine Waterfall. Oh, I'm not made for this. And we've arrived. Mary Vine Creek Waterfall. Okay. Pretty nice. But I know your vibe. Always skipping a step, cause I really don't mind. It's like you've been in my bed a couple thousand times. Now we're at it again. So on the way up, it looks like we ran some cougar tracks here. You can see in the snow. Hopefully we don't run into one. But if we do. So we've arrived at the flow line. This used to carry water to the city of Victoria and Sooke Lake. It's not in use anymore, but it goes all the way from Sooke Lake to Victoria. Now we're going to be heading off to Peden Lake. The next stop, about 1.5K from here, so it's going to be a decent trek. This is brutal.
You said it's only 100 meters of uphill.
Guess I was wrong. Look at all this snow though. This is one of the areas that will probably be flooded. It looks like someone built some kind of sketchy bridge. It'll do the job.
Let's see about that.
So this is just one of the side waterfalls here.
Oh, Jesus! Where are you taking us?
Make sure to go left when you get at this point. Do not go straight.
Good point.
Make sure you bring water. The last waterfall that you'll see until you hit the lake. We're getting close. So this is the area right before the lake where it gets really muddy, and yeah, you just gotta find a way around it.
There's no way around this.
So right here is when you'll first see the lake. Like that. Look at this.
How do we get across that?
Oh my god. Oh god. Oh. Am I right? Now we have arrived.
Thank fucking God.
At the lake.
Time for a swim.
Half of it's frozen. There used to be a cabin here too, but it looks like they replaced it with some park regulations. It's really nice. So this lake is really quiet. Like, listen to this.
Nice, nice.
So that's the hike to Peden Lake. So yeah. We're almost back to the parking lot, but we're gonna take one more look at this waterfall because it's magnificent.
Magnificent.
So that's it. We're at the bottom, we're back at the parking lot.
It's getting dark.
That was a decent hike. Took about 2 hours there and back. So probably because of all the snow. And you can see there's no snow here at all. Yeah, that's the hike to Peden Lake and Mary Vine Falls.